一，开灯！
Hello everyone, right now I'm at the Taiwan Lantern Festival. Behind me is like a very big lantern, and then here there's a lot of many different types of lantern. This festival will be here until the 10th of March 2024. So if you are nearby, make sure to come and visit because I think it is very good. That is the featured Dragon Lantern of 2024. The grand opening will be at 7 PM later, so keep watching till the end. And then look at this. There's so many people because today is the opening ceremony. And throughout the day, there's also many performances, including those international acts. Okay, let's go and explore the place now.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1，开灯！
Okay everyone, that's it for today. If you like today's content, remember to like, comment and subscribe. And make sure to watch the next one. Until then, roll your body life and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!